Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm Kenny, your host, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market. Looks like there's been quite a bit of green leading up to this move. Got a pretty impressive move yesterday. Not looking bad. And as you can see, quite a bit of green going around here. A lot of green. I just see a lot of green. A little bit of red right there, but other than that, a little bit of a divergence right here, suggestive of a choppy market. Actually, as we had mentioned on Friday, Monday, Tuesday, today's Wednesday, and so we did mention the choppy market, the divergences probably wasn't going to go anywhere. That is in fact what happened, but then we open up Monday, have a nice bit of bullishness, bullish, quadruple bullish, and what do we get? And at least expecting a move higher. The bullishness begins to accelerate as the day proceeded. We see all green throughout the entire session, and then we get this move today. Sorry, yesterday, and we did have a gap lower, a little bit of a gap lower. We went and filled the gap, broke above the gap. Once we broke above the gap, obviously you see this, the bullishness starts to really come on board. Bullish, quadruple bullish again. Broke above the high of the prior day, the high of the early session, broke above after filling the gap. The resistance there, the trend was up. Boom, what do you get? A move of now 20 points in the ER2, 20 to 25 points in the ER2 in about a day. Last 3 quarters of yesterday's session and into today. Did get some acceleration above the high of yesterday as well early this morning, and although we are getting a bit of divergences, a bit of a divergence, particularly here, a little bit there, the signs do still point to bullish, and we actually are short-term bullish, so this certainly makes sense. We did participate very nicely in this move yesterday. We'll look at that in a second. MapDT was the leader. MapDT portfolio version 2.0, and leads with about a 26% gain yesterday on a $20,000 account. So very impressive was the Map DT yesterday. Our average gain was probably about, I don't know, our Map Black, which is our most diversified $100,000 portfolio, I think gained 18,500, somewhere around there. So nice, respectable 18% move on average, one would argue. But there you have it. A little bit of a divergence. Definitely want to be buying right around here. Maybe a stop around 710 or so for this anticipated move, continuation move higher that one would expect given this bullishness and the acceleration of the trend. So that's where we stand at on our intraday dynamics. We're going to go ahead and switch over now to look at. We had mentioned we were looking for our latest system to reverse or close out its exposure, and it did so right here on this day at 1260.50. So it went short at 1402.75. So a nice 140 point move for our latest swing system. Nice 140 point move. It decided not to go long, but did close out the exposure on the short side for a, let's call it 6-week gain of $7,000 per contract on this system. So just wanted to show you guys that really quickly. That's going to be added into our rotation. And I'm going to go ahead and look now at a chart of the dailies. And there's a daily chart of the S&P 500. Obviously, you can see the acceleration move higher. We did get the reversed ET sell setup, which is an ET buy setup. Although it was low level in nature, we did mention that, so it didn't have as much strength as one would anticipate, but we did get the higher close, the consecutive higher close, couple of higher closes, meager at best, but then we get the move yesterday, which confirms that we definitely are in short-term bullish, in a short-term bullish phase, which is about 20% of the market's influence. Having said that, we are still 30 and 50% bearish on the market, so around 1300, 1310, this market would be expected to peter out, although we are trying to hold this support here, as we've mentioned, around 1270, 1275. We're above that, so it could be anybody's game. We did mention that this was the big move, taking profits on the short side right around here, right around this area. Did get a little bit more follow through, but we're right back. That would have been the best opportunity to certainly cover the remainder of the exposure on the ET buy signal. So there you have it. Short-term acceleration move higher. We did mention all of these indications on Friday, and we've just seen some fall through. So another probably, we'll call it 30 points in the ES since last Friday, which was had to close at 1260. We're at 85, so 25 points since we mentioned the bullishness here, the short-term bullishness at any rate. So we'll just go through and look at a few of our systems. This is our ES Swing System 8.0. Beautiful winner. 1230 to 1285. Nice 55-point move in about a week. Swing System 7.0. Just put on some more long exposure, closing out a very nice long position in the YM day trader. In the YM market. This is Swing System 7.0. Swing System 6.0. Beautiful winner here. And then another gorgeous winner from roughly 1260 to 85, so 25-point move, just catching the whole of the move higher. Just very impressive is the Swing System 6.0. Day Trader 9.0, again catching a beautiful move yesterday. We ran out of time, so we're just gonna go ahead and accelerate through these things, and I guess we'll just look at the catching the move yesterday. The Russell Day Trader 1.0. This has been ongoing for 6 years, as we've mentioned, catching another beautiful winner from 705 to almost 720. So a nice 15-point move almost in the. This is catching the EMD, catching the beautiful long trade right there. There was another one. We can actually look at Day Trader 7.0. Look at these three beautiful winners that we've had on Day Trader 7.0. Just very impressive stuff. So we're going to go ahead and switch over now and look at just where we've been. We'll just pull this down a little bit, so that should line up. So this is our map DT yesterday. Just very impressive. Oh, you know what? We forgot something. Forgot to show you. Let's go ahead and just hold that 1 second. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that little pause there, but we did want to show you guys how our other portfolios had done yesterday. Here's the map DT. Gains a whopping $5,135 Tuesday, the 22nd of July, for a one-day gain of 25.68%. That's looking at the mini mid-cap, $2,800. That's looking at catching these beautiful winners. Just catching that late-day pop was just very impressive on those markets, but that was leading the way. Here's how the rest of our portfolios fared on the day. The map black was actually up 18%, 17,870. We thought it was 18,500. Very impressive move, 18% for the map black. The Delta B coming in with almost 18% as well, and kind of some mixed gains. The swinger actually lost money, 15% on average was our gains yesterday, but just very impressive were the gains yesterday. There's the black gain in $18,240, which was actually after 439 after the close. So gained a little bit more money after the market reopened. But so that's where we stand at the MiniAnalyst.com. Those are our systems. It's our great performance yesterday. If you guys have any interest in subscribing to the Map DT version 2.0, which we just pointed to right there, then you can go to the website. You can chat with the support team, shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com, or go to the website, click on the Platinum Day Traders, and you can scroll all the way down. Just go ahead and add the Map Day Trader version 2.0 to your cart. There it is right there. We'll just make that, well, you can have two if you want, but we'll update that, and then we'll enter promo code video, and that should save you $300. If you're interested in that portfolio, our venerable Map DT version 2.0, $1,200 for 3 months. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know. Hope you guys are having a great trading week, and we will see you next time.